Hi everyone, welcome to Syncios channel. This video is a guide on how to transfer photos from an Android phone to a PC in one click. First, open Syncios toolkit and click on Phone Transfer to run Syncios data transfer. Then connect your phone to the PC with a USB cable. Choose the backup module. You can click the menu icon to change the output path. Now different data types are displayed in the interface. Choose Camera Roll and Photo Library and click Next to load the data. When it completes loading, click Next again to begin the transfer. Once the transfer completes, the output folder will pop out and you can check the transferred photos. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe to us.